Okay, let's continue. Here you look at first name, middle name, last name, and then score that belongs to each individual. Looks like a student to me. So instead of doing that directly, we can create a class called students with data field, also match with and get and set methods, and then two string methods, so that we can use those reusable codes. Okay, let's start with adding first name, equal value, string. Let's remove the comments so that I can show you more code on screen. You can keep it. Add property, middle name, we call it as the middle initial. I think should be character value, quotation marks, okay, single quotation mark. I think there is a mistake. Single quotation mark supposed to have one space, so I think that's why. Let me just leave one space. Okay. Continue for last name. One more to go. Let me just keep it here. I know it's not quite students, but for simplicity, let me just keep it here for score. 0.0 should be double. Then at the end, I will add two string methods so we can print what's inside the student object. Select it all. Okay, first name, middle name, last name, and then score. I think everything is there. Default constructor, I'm going to use it. So here, let's create a student object. Yeah, I will just keep it here. Student default constructor. Okay, once you read first name, okay, we will save it to student object. So we are using set methods. Set first name according to scanner object. Second one again students. Then set. I think it's a middle initial. Students. Set last name. Okay, let me remove. Okay, input next. Students should be set score. Okay, close it. So here to string, return string value. So we can replace it. Student object dot to string. That will print what's inside the student object. Let's see. Okay, output is a slightly different one, depends on toString method, but in terms of data set, it's the same. Okay, John, 85, Jane with 92, Mike with 78.0. So we can actually do this way, which is more advanced. So I think that's all. Thank you.